Hi, I'm Bings, and this is a quick tutorial to show you how you can move with your fan, how you can dance with your silk fan veil if you're a total beginner. So this is my right hand fan, so make sure that it is in the correct hand because it doesn't open correctly in the other side. Okay, so only for the right side. Okay, and let me teach you how to hold the fan when it's open. So when you open it up, rest it in the center of the palm, and then use your thumb to hold it here. And you will see that my 4 fingers are here below, and my thumb is here. Okay, so it takes a while to get used to holding the fan comfortably. Okay, so don't worry, just take some practice getting used to it. Okay, so it's like a sort of rounded form of your wrist, of your hand. And now I'd like to show you just one quick way to play with your fan. Very simple. So this is called a flutter, and it moves because you are moving your wrist this way. So the 4 fingers where your fan rests on are moving the fan up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so you're using a lot of wrist action. So it can be slow or it can be fast. And you can move it across your body this way just by moving it in a straight line and having the wrist action to make the gentle waves. You can move it this way too, so it's perpendicular to the floor. So this is how you can play with it. And I'd like to introduce one more move. It's called the swing. So what you're doing is you're swinging your right fan, in front of you across your body this way. And it's very, very soothing to move with your fan this way, because as you move your fan, you tend to move your body with it too. And let me show you how you can do it. So you're holding the fan this way, and what you want to do is to sort of drag it across from your left to your right. And when it's time to go back, you sort of flip. So now you're palm up. Okay, so it goes like this, palm down, drag it across, and you flip it, palm up, and you move it across from right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left. Okay, and when you allow your body to move as well, so you can have a slight side lunge and allow your body to sway a little with the fan. So it's a very relaxing move. And you can even add flutters in one direction. Okay, so just from left to right is easier. Okay, I hope this is fun and useful for you to try out. Thank you.